What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Happy Sunday, my friends. Hope you guys are doing well. So on the agenda today, we're going to be doing a lifetime Discord giveaway at the end. So please make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button. So this is going to be number 18 out of 50. So I want to do 15 lifetime Discord giveaway this year, as well as $50 cash per month. So I did the $50 cash for last month. The next one will be coming up at the end of this month. So please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, help support me, and I'll support you guys. Okay. So two really important things that I want to talk about is the market overview and the intraday fair value gap setups with SPY. Okay, so let's first start off with the overview, and then we're going to go into some crazy intraday price action with the SPY and the fair value gaps and the fibs. Okay, hit me with a 10 if you can hear me loud and clear. Okay. So last week, guys, we talked about SPY had a very high chance and ES to hit new all-time highs. So we made new all-time highs last week. And it all started off with this inside bar breakout. So I posted this inside bar breakout 3 weeks ago. This is an easy, one of our go-to patterns, guys, inside weekly breakout. It's one of the easiest ones that you can use because the indicators highlight them on the chart for you. So it's pretty simple. All my yellow candles are inside bars. All right. So we had the inside close. And then from there, guys, we broke to the upside and made new all-time highs. So we were able to take advantage of that. And now the question is, where do we see the market potentially going next? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this Fibonacci tool. I'm going to go from low to high. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's set them up exactly. So the high was 48.08 and a quarter. So just double click on this. And we're going to do 48.0825. And then the low was 21.74. Okay. All right. So there's a new tool in Tradingview where you can hover over and add text. So this was the COVID lows. And then this was the 2021 previous all-time high. Okay. So what you'll notice here, guys, is we came back to the 50% retracement. Okay. We came back to the 50% retracement. We actually tagged it exactly on SPY. And then we are now in this sequence right here where we're looking to get to the 272 extension. That's the natural first Fibonacci target is a 272 extension. Okay. So 52, 55, 24, 75. The 272 extension is where I'll be looking for any opportunities to enter short for, a few weeks to a few months out with options and also with futures potentially. Mainly, I would like to do it with options because I can just risk whatever I'm willing to put in. Okay, so that is the natural progression here, guys. Looks like we'll definitely be tagging that 272 at some point, unless we have some type of news, some type of potential war news, Fed news, something major to change that course of direction. But for now, it looks like we're on our way. So I'll say overall, guys, it was really simple to take this into new all-time highs because we had the inside bar set up. So it gave us a really good risk reward opportunity, breakout of the inside bar, stop on the low. And that was a really nice push from there. So it's going to be grateful for those opportunities as they come in the market, but also be wary of potential for things to get a little bit harder because it has been pretty easy for the first part of the year. Okay. Hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys on a journey with the Fibonacci and the fair value gap. And I want to tell you guys right now that I'm going to be putting aside about $20,000 to really master this fair value gap combined with the Fibonacci trades that I take. So you guys know that I'm a 618 Fibonacci trader, and I'm adding some of these fair value gaps that I'm seeing to really help me to get my anchors in different places that I wouldn't normally put them. So this one right here, Nephew Sam, the free Tradingview indicator. Thank you. I don't know who you are, and I just want to give credit where credit's due. It's a great indicator. Okay. And so hit me with the 17 if you guys are feeling me what I'm saying here. $20,000 I'm going to put aside. I'm going to start walking you through exactly what I'm looking for here. And I want you guys, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like, because this is going to be an amazing journey. And I think this right here, guys, is going to simplify trading because it's going to add another level of confluence using the fair value gap. So we're going to start off here with Monday. Okay. So here is Monday. All right. And normally whenever we have, this is about the first 15 to 20 minutes, whenever we have a directional push to the downside, what I do is I take my Fibonacci from the high to the low like this, okay? And I'm just going to put on the basic here, and we're going to look at the 618. But what you'll notice here, guys, is it does not get back to the 618. Hit me with a 10 if you see that. And by using the fair value gap, it gives me a new place to put my anchor. So here we go. Now look at this candle here. Here's the fair value gap. So this is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. So this area between candle 1 and 3 needs to be traded into, okay? So one thing that we can do here now is actually use the Fibonacci tool from the second candle's high to the low like this. And there you see is the 618 rejection that I'm looking for, but it did not come off of the first high. Hit me with 20 if that makes sense. So this is going to allow us to use new anchors, okay? And then let's continue on from here. The next thing we have is the sequence Fibonacci leg. So you have another fair value gap, 1, 2, 3. Here's the gap in between. You take it off of this high to low right here. And there is, this one is not a 618, guys, but this is a 50%. So let me go ahead and put that on here. So that's another thing that I'm looking at doing is combining like the 50%, combining the 618, etc. with these gaps, because they're giving you another valid entry point. Okay, let's continue now. Okay, so this is again Monday, another sequence leg. So this is what we call the opposing leg. All right. So what I want you to do is look at this first candle here in the opposing. This is still on Monday. Okay, this is 110 on SPY. We see we have a huge hammer with a big body. Then we create the fair value gap right here from the second and the third. And we can now, since we have a fair value gap, we can go to, again, take your low to high right here and then double click here. I'm just going to put on the full settings here. Again, you see another 50% retracement. Those 50% retracements in the past, I would never take those 50% retracements because they're not deep enough. But if you have another confluence like a fair value gap, or look at this right here, guys, you have an inside bar on the 50%. Now that's giving me another reason to take the trade. So it's really opening up different opportunities that you wouldn't see unless you have that extra confluence. All right, so we're moving on to Tuesday. Okay, same thing now. So we have a fair value gap right here, guys. We have 1, 2 big body, third inside bar. So what do we do? Same thing. To come off the Fibonacci high to low right there. I'll go ahead and put back on the basic. Here's your 618 rejection right here. You can also come off of the top of the anchor right here. Okay, so all of these gaps are getting filled. All right, and this also gives us another place to put our stop loss. We can put our stop loss at the swing high to give us extra room on the trade. So that's another example right there. So as you guys can see, right, I need to refine it a little bit more because, sometimes it's a 50, sometimes 618, but that's why I'm putting $20,000 aside to figure it out. Okay, and I'm going to do it for the community so you guys don't have to waste your capital. Okay, so here's another example. This one would be a failure. Okay, so you come off, here's your fair value gap, 1, 2, 3. Here's your high to low. And you can see it blows right through the fair value gap. So what do you do in that situation? Well, I want to remind you guys this. With the fair value gap and the fibs, we can get easily a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Every 10 trades, we only need to win 4. With the 2-to-1 risk to reward, every 10 trades, we only need to win 4 out of 10 trades. This is what makes it so powerful, because now we're stacking a retracement style of trading with another confluence, going for at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Nothing is going to be 100%, but this is putting us in a good spot to hit a home run. Okay, hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. And then from there, guys, same thing. This one, we have a smaller leg. Look, this leg right here, I would never normally take it. It's so small, but here you go. Big fair value gap. Let's come off of the low to the high. Look at that beautiful 618 on a trending day. And then from there, guys, it's just a rip. Okay, it's just beautiful when you think about it. Amazing, because we know in the market, gaps like to be filled. Okay, any type of gap likes to be filled. It doesn't matter what the gap is. But if you add a Fibonacci on top of that, you're increasing your confluence. Here is Thursday, prior day close, okay? Coming off of this prior day close, creating a fair value gap, going low to high. Look at this right here, my friends. 618 on the fair value gap, even with the 17, okay? And then from there, let's take it another notch. Let's do a Fibonacci extension. Bam, watch this. 100% extension of that move. So if you're looking at that, you have to be asking yourself, what's going on here? Okay, what's really going on? We have gaps Then we have 618 Fibonacci stacking into the gaps. And then we have 100% extension of that move. This is what we're starting to decode, the language of the algorithms. This is the language. This is what they're talking in. They don't talk in, the language of humans. They don't talk in English. They're talking in numbers, math. Here we go again. Another open fair value gap. Let's come off of the high to the low. Okay. Again, another 618 rejection here, guys. 100% extension and another pop. Okay, that's one. Now, what about another one? Here we go. Let's do it again. Here is another fair value gap. High to low. 618 rejection. Bang. It's gone. Okay. So it's just been crazy. Let's do another one. Here we go. Thursday, one more time. Okay. Here's the high. Low. 618. Bang. Okay. I can't ignore that when I keep seeing it, can't. And there's so many more opportunities. I can't go on here forever, but I just wanted to show you guys, this is the future. This is what we're going towards, is taking the built-in risk to reward that a Fibonacci has and combining it with something like a fair value gap, showing you an open gap, a pocket where the market wants to come back to, going for a minimum of a 2-to-1 risk to reward or a little bit more. And then out of every 10 trades, we only need to hit 4 out of 10. Hit me with a 20 if that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. So right now you might be a little bit confused about it, but that's what I'm here for. Watch the streams, and I'm going to keep putting out educational material and help you guys to understand what it is. But it's basic. It's just the first thing always is going to be a Fibonacci, because the Fibonacci is going to give you a risk to reward that's built in to help you stay profitable. Then from there, you're going to want to go ahead and look at something like a fair value gap to give you that extra confluence. All right, guys. All right. So I hope that made sense, my friends. I really wanted to put that out there for you guys. And $20,000 challenge, we're going for it. And I think at the very least, I'll break even. Okay, hit me with the 5 if you think I'll break even. Hit me with the 6 if you think it'll be profitable. Hit me with the 7 if you think it'll be a loser. The reason why I'm saying it is because I know, let's say I take 100 trades, I only need to win 34 out of 100. That's what I'm telling myself, okay? Because I have that good risk to reward that's built in, all right? So stay tuned. Make sure you guys like and subscribe so you can see everything, okay? So we're going to do the lifetime Discord giveaway right now to end the stream. So this is this post that we'll do the giveaway on. Okay. So this, when I refresh this post, the person that commented the second on this post, the second comment on this post is going to be the lifetime Discord giveaway winner. So I want you to let me know with a 17 when you're done. So this is going to be number 18. Okay. So Gino was the last winner. He's in this chat right now. So please comment and I will refresh this. Let me know when you're done. Does this work on higher time frames? Absolutely. That's something that I'm building right now as we speak. Okay. So we can go right here to, let's go to SPY and let's take a look. Here's the hourly. Okay. Look at this, guys. This one was from last week and I hesitated a little bit on pulling the trigger. Okay. Here's our open fair value gap. I didn't take this one, but now that I'm doing it, I probably would have. Okay. So here's last week. This is an example on SPY. Here's our low to high. There's our 618 and there's the fair value gap. You see how they're overlapping the fair value gap? The 618 pulls into this fair value gap just a little bit. That gives you extra confluence on that 618. What's going on, Omar? Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense right there. So that's it right there, guys. Working on this is an hourly chart right here. You can swing trade this. And here we go, another one. Okay, watch this closely now, okay? Here is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Here's the open fair value gap. Now watch this candle. You see how this candle comes right into that fair value gap and then it sells off? So there's so many opportunities that I've been seeing with this. So you can use on any time frame. Make sure you focus on high volume stocks, okay? Make sure you focus on the high volume stocks like the SPYs, the Qs, Tesla, NVDA, etc. Okay? Don't do it on something illiquid because you're probably going to have a lot of confusion, okay? All right. So there we go, guys. Let me know when you're done commenting. I just want to do a quick promo here for you guys. Anyone that wants to get lifetime Discord with me and one-on-one coaching sessions. So I'm doing my apprentice package. So normally it comes with 4 months in the room, all 4 of my books and my seminars. You get 2 seminars. You get one-on-one coaching with me. It's normally $800. This is going to be 50% off. It's going to be $400. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com, if you're interested. Lifetime to the swing room, and you're going to get 1 year in the SPY VIP room. Or I'm doing also a really powerful deal right now. If you want lifetime just into the swing room, if you want lifetime plus 1 month in the day trading room, then check out the Fibonacci Society. It's normally $150. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com, and I'll give it to you guys for $100. Okay, rich@tradingwars.com with a Z. Just make sure you email me. You have helped me immensely. I recommend your course to people. Thank you so much, man. Let me just shout you out right there, Eric. I appreciate that comment. And the reason why I think that I do well, or I try to do well at the very least, is because I'm always trying to evolve. The things that I did 2 years ago are not the same anymore. The market is changing. Okay, the world is changing. So we need to change. And if you don't change, you're not going to make money. Okay. The old school, tried and true, like what I do, investing in Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, whatever, the big names. Okay. Doing that hasn't gone anywhere. But making other money with these other styles of trading in between is great. Appreciate you sharing your knowledge. Thank you. Thank you, brother. $100 promo again. Yeah, so the swing trading room, the Fibonacci Society, is normally $150. It comes with my book right here. It's The Power of the 618. Has the broker statements, goes through all these trades. It has video recordings, etc. It's normally $150 for the swing. Plus, it comes with 1 month for free in the day trading room with the SPY. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com. It'll be $100. I already hear the emails going off. All right. So here we go. Let's do this right now for the lifetime winner. I'm going to refresh. The second comment will be the winner. Here we go. Right here. So Mr. Gabriel, you missed it just by a little bit, but DH Mohan 1963. Okay, you are the winner. I don't know if you're in the chat right now, but I will retweet this on the stream. And guys, like I said, I'm doing 50 for the year. All right, 50. So don't worry. Always drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and comment where you can. All right. So the reason why I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. When you click on these interactive broker guides and you sign up with an interactive broker account, it helps me out. And the reason why I did interactive brokers, I've been using them for over 8 years, and I reached out to them. They didn't reach out to me. And I said, I want to be a partner. So I've been making a lot of videos for them. Watch them. Interactive brokers is one of the most powerful brokers because the commissions are low and you can automate your trades overnight. All right. That's going to take you to another level. Trust me when I say that. That changed my trading forever. How do futures expiration work? Are they exactly like options? No. So futures do not decay. Their contracts are every quarter. So normally at the end of the quarter, you'll roll into another contract. It doesn't decay. It basically just stops trading and then you move on to the next contract. It doesn't have any Greeks like that. Okay, guys, hit me with the 17 on the way out. Thank you so much for your time. Anyway, switch from Fifth Society lifetime to swing room lifetime. Email me, brother, rich@tradingwars.com. I'll take a look for you. Thank you. I'll see you again. Like, comment. Have a great day. Don't forget about the lifetime giveaways. Comment Fib King below. All right. I'll get you on the next one.